Hello and welcome to the Bodega AI point of sale demo. And in this demo, we're going to be walking you through our main functionalities that we have in our POS. So to jump right in, we're going to start on the left-hand side where we have our cart. This is a place where all of the items that we scan or add manually will be shown to the user. And then if we scan one of the items, it'll be also shown on the screen that's facing the customer. On the bottom, we have the breakdown of the subtotal, the tax, and the total order amount. We're offering a compliant POS. So what that means is that we're showing, instead of showing a surcharge, we're showing cash pricing and automatically showing a card pricing based on whatever preferences you have for your store. Then we can also scan additional items, and it'll automatically calculate whatever tax or bottle deposit the item may have, and it will get that automatically from your price book or from our database of 2,000 plus items that we have curated for convenience stores. So whenever we scan a new item, for example, this hot sauce that I don't have in my price book, I already have the image, the name, and the details. I know it's an EBT eligible item. So the only thing that I have to do is just set a price and create an add to the cart. And that essentially adds it to the cart and adds it to my price book. So next, we're going to have one-click items on the top right. So these are fully customizable. Any name or price that you want to set, you can add here. And a click of a button, we can add it to the cart. And we can add as many as you want, having multiple pages. Next, we have the keyboard section where we have keypad items. These interact with the keyboard where we can set a price like $2, click drinks, automatically added to the cart. Or we can also say we have 3 items at $6 and we're going to add them all at once, and it's going to automatically set the price for that. We're optimizing for speed and the least amount of clicks, so that's how we're aiming to do that. In the case that we need to edit an item, we can tap on it and it'll open up this edit item section. We can edit the name. We can pick a different category if we wanted to. And then we can also either change the tax preferences or the EBT preferences and choose to either make those changes for this cart specifically or make it permanent and update our price book as well. We can change the quantity or remove it from the cart. And then we can also override the price. And in the same way, we can update this item. So for example, set it to $2 and I'll make this change permanent. So the next time I scan the item, it'll already be $2 and I don't have to go back and update in my price book. I can just do it straight by taking care of a customer. Next, we have our payment options. So we support EBT and we calculate the EBT automatically. So we'll automatically know what the EBT portion of the sale is and we'll charge accordingly. We also have quick cash buttons where we can just tap the bills that we're receiving. So maybe we received 2 $20 bills and then a $10 bill. We can automatically calculate the change and give that to the customer along with printing the payment receipt and give that to the customer. We can also add an item, and if they're paying with a specific amount, we can add that custom amount here and collect that payment. Or we can always just click cash. That'll be the quickest option, and it'll close the transaction altogether, expecting 0 change. So that's the main overview of our app, how we interact with the cart, what we show to the customer. So that is it for our main screen. We have more reports and different sections that we would love to show you. So if you need to ask any questions or reach us out, you can go to bodegai.com for additional information. Thank you.